A lot of it stems from your targeting, but it also stems from how you're positioning the offer, right? So let's first dig into the targeting side, right? So
Cool.
when you're doing, let's say, a promotion in the internet marketing space, let's say I have a product coming out and it deals with how to run Facebook ads, right? So the issue then becomes, who is best suited to buy this product? Is it just going to be anyone who likes a marketer in the online marketing space? I mean, you're basically going to blanket the industry, but most often than not, that's not going to be your key demographic, right? It might be a small business owner who's run ads before but hasn't quite been successful. Let me teach you how to scale your campaigns to be most profitable today, right? So you're going to pinpoint exactly who it is you want to click on your ad. Now it becomes an issue of, is your banner going to be enticing enough for them to want to click over? It's a step by step process. Your ad
Is
copy has to reflect who you want. Your banner has to be engaging enough to generate a click. And then obviously there's a whole nother dynamic on what's the other side to get them to take an action.